Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cajun Country Livin'. It has been a while since we've been able to get a chance to work on the exterior of our home. Between getting the house spray foamed and then the heavy rain that set in, we thought that we would never get a chance. But now with the ground all dried up and the sun is shining, we were able to give our home some much needed TLC.
This rain recently has really put things into perspective for us. I guess we just got spoiled with the dry weather and we still have things on the outside of this house that really needs to be done. It's 100% sealed, siding's up, caulking's in place, but it's not finished. And we know what it's like when the wintertime sets in. It's wet and miserable. Not that it's cold, but it's wet and miserable. So we felt like we should probably shift gears and get outside and try to get some of these outside things knocked out before it's a muddy mess.
So we came out here and we decided that we're gonna go ahead and put our batten strips up. Got everything ready, we got our nail gun out, we got our tools ready, and realized that we only had 4 left.
I swear it just seems like we go, and we get everything ready, we're ready to go, and I swore we had 24 of those things cut already. Oh well, we're gonna put up what we got, we're gonna have to cut some more.
So I had previously already caulked up all these seams, so it is actually ready to go. And here are the 4 pieces that we got. We did choose to start at the front side of the house just because we don't really want to have to be cramped just yet, having to try and put these batten strips up whenever the camper is literally 6 inches from the house. So we're gonna start on the south end of the house, and here we go. Does it not drive anybody else crazy that those are so dirty? I mean, we had so much bad weather that they just ended up getting mud on them from being outside, but tell me that does not drive you crazy.
It needs a little pressure washing, don't it?
It sure does. How about these love bugs?
I don't know. I wonder if they have love bugs everywhere.
For the record, this has to be done. I'm not just doing it because I like to clean.
They're everywhere.
So you're gonna put your finger right on top of the nozzle part where it comes out, and you're just gonna run your finger along the top, just with the silicone or caulk or whatever you're putting in there, and it'll mash that right into the hole. So you're gonna run your finger right along the top, and it's gonna make for such minimal cleanup whenever you get done. So show y'all, look, that's it. I mean, and then that's done. So that's the best way that I found. I hope it helps y'all, but works for me.
Today's video is brought to you by Helix Sleep. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and bedding that are customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped right to your door. Everyone has a different thought when it comes to a mattress type, and that is why Helix Sleep made a sleep quiz to match your unique body type and sleep preferences to make the perfect mattress for you. They have something for everyone's unique taste, and if you sleep with a partner, you can take the sleep quiz together to find a great compromise for the both of you. When it comes to sleep, I like a soft bed.
And I like a firm bed.
So after taking the sleep quiz, Helix matched us with a Midnight Lux. Neither of us really have a specific side that we like to sleep on, but this California King gives us plenty of room. You can personalize your mattress even more by adding the Glaciotech cooling cover. With living in the South, a cool cover is a great way to keep cool during our long summers. The firmness of our bed is perfect for both of us. Before, we had a mattress that we thought was giving us a good night's sleep. Well, we would have ordered Helix Sleep a long time ago if we'd have known what we were missing out on. The Sleep Quiz makes it so simple to order your bed online. By sorting through all the beds for you and matching you with the perfect bed, you have more time to focus on other activities. With your Helix Sleep mattress, you'll get a 100-night trial along with a 10-year warranty and their finance options and flexible payment plans. So if it makes you nervous to order online, don't worry. You have over 3 months to try out your bed and see if you love it. If you don't, they will pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. The best part about all this is Helix delivers your mattress right to your door free within the US. And as y'all saw, it is very simple to set up.
We love our Helix and we think that y'all would too.
So if you're looking for a mattress, check out Helix. So click the link below or go to helixsleep.com/Cajun Country to get up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress.
Plus 2 free pillows.
Thanks again, Helix, for sponsoring this week's video.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So as most of y'all know, Jim works during the day, so a lot of these little projects we leave and we actually don't do, so that way I have something to do during the day, and it's kind of the best use of our time. If he's gone and there's a lot of little things that can get done, that is totally something that I can do. So the one thing that I really tried to focus on this week was just getting kind of a room done full of sheetrock. So I'm going to show you all what it looks like, and this is actually our guest bedroom that comes right off of the dining room. As you can see, the doorway is right here, and this is where we were working at the other day in last week's video. So I'll show y'all real quick what it looks like and what we're planning to do now. So like I said, here's the double windows in our dining room. So then you're going to come right here, and this is what I have been working on. So we got all this sheetrock hung in here. And I also went ahead and did the closet too. Now there's not a light up in here yet, but y'all get the gist of it. So this whole room is actually done now. Y'all know what I mean by done. Not completely done, of course, because look at the ceiling up there. But y'all know what I mean. So now that Jim is home, we're actually gonna go ahead and put the ceiling up in this room. Is it a necessity to do right now? No. But we do only have 7 sheets of sheetrock left from the haul that Jim went and got the other day, and 7 sheets is the perfect amount to go ahead and do this ceiling in here. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, get it going. We already got our ladder set up, we got our hose run through the window, and we are ready to go. So all that we'll have to do in here is start mudding, put receptacles in, and it'll be a room complete. That is so exciting to say. And it is just so exciting to be able to get to this point and start envisioning, you know, decoration, and start envisioning what it's going to look like in here. And just being able to see these ceilings go up is making such a huge difference, because even though after they spray foamed it looked like more of a ceiling than it did before, it is so exciting to see it all come together. And I know y'all agree. Welcome home. Does it look good in here?
It looks really good. Looks good. Very good. God.
What else did you expect?
I'm telling you, whenever you get these walls put together, it just makes these rooms look so much bigger. I know that sounds like it should be the opposite, but I was kind of worried about this bedroom being just a touch smaller. There's so much room in here.
It really is. Anything's a lot of room compared to a camper.
Well, it's good to see y'all. I'm glad to be home. I'm ready to get some house building therapy. Let's get this thing rolling. We'll get all these strips up,
Yeah.
laths up.
Lads up.
Laths.
Okay, so for the record, whenever your Bubba came by, he called them lads. Like as in our daughter, lad.
Yeah, but it's kind of like
And you didn't correct it.
you all or y'all.
So it can be lad or lath.
No, and not if you want to say it correctly. But nothing's really that important to say. I knew what he was talking about. That was the same thing. He could have just pointed to the board in the ceiling. I knew what he was talking about.
Okay, so for the record, it's lath, Clay. It's lath, not lad.
He is so going to get you for that one.
In case you're wondering, it's the same brother. Not the one that has chickens, but the one that we beat in a boat race. You think he's really going to be mad?
Oh, he's going to be mad. Especially when you bring it to everybody's attention that we beat him in that boat race in our early video. He is not going to like that at all.
Yeah, if y'all want to comment something, you can just comment and tell Clay that he's number 2 instead of number 1.
He is like hashtag Clay lost or something like that. That would be perfect.
Please do, y'all.
Thank you all in advance.
One thing that really needed to get done this week that was on my list was this bathroom. It's a very open concept right now. No. That just ain't gonna work long term. As much as I love Jim Wayne, some things just need to be private, okay? So I'm gonna throw these pieces up and get that done before he gets home today.